Welcome to our geometry series. Today, we are going to explore a fascinating property of trapezoids called the midsegment theorem. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly what a midsegment is and the two special rules it follows. First, let's look at the parts of a trapezoid. A trapezoid is a four-sided shape with exactly one pair of parallel sides. These parallel sides are called the bases. The other two sides, which are not parallel, are called the legs. To find the midsegment, we first need to find the midpoint of each leg. A midpoint is the exact center of a line segment, dividing it into two equal parts. Here, we mark the center of the left leg and the center of the right leg. Now, if we draw a line connecting these two midpoints, we create a special segment. This line is called the midsegment of the trapezoid. It connects the middle of one leg to the middle of the other leg. The midsegment has two very important properties. The first property is that it is always parallel to the bases. Since the top and bottom bases are already parallel to each other, the midsegment runs perfectly in the same direction, right in between them. The second property is about its length. The length of the midsegment is exactly the average of the lengths of the two bases. Mathematically, you can find this by adding the length of base 1 plus the length of base 2, and then dividing the result by 2. Here is a way to visualize it. If you look at the length of the top base and the bottom base, the midsegment's length is exactly halfway between them. It is the average width of the trapezoid. Let's try a problem. Suppose the top base is 12 units long and the bottom base is 28 units long. To find the midsegment, we add 12 and 28 to get 40. Then, we divide 40 by 2. The length of the midsegment is 20. We can also work backwards. Imagine we know the midsegment is 20 and the top base is 15, but we don't know the bottom base. We can set up an equation. 20 equals 15 plus x, all divided by 2. Multiplying by 2 gives us 40 equals 15 plus x. Subtracting 15 from 40 tells us that the bottom base is 25. To wrap up, remember these three things. The midsegment connects the leg midpoints. It is parallel to the bases, and its length is the average of the two bases. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.